I'm Mark Sudolnik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group, and welcome to Tip Tuesday. Our tip today is going to be focused on the shortages that are affecting our industry in the whole country. And what we're going to discuss today is liquid adhesive, this being the TexTac pallet adhesive. Since there's a shortage of spray adhesive, it's really hard for the distributors to get, and it's in high demand. Now may be the time to think about switching to a liquid adhesive. One thing with spray adhesives, the adhesive goes everywhere. It gets all over your machine. It makes the machine dirty. It holds lint. It holds ink. So going to a liquid adhesive, you have a healthier and a safer and cleaner environment. What I do is I take my gallon adhesive and I pour it down into a smaller applicator bottle. And I use either a vinyl applicator or a scrape or cleanup card and simply put the adhesive on the pallet and spread it out. And as you can see here, I add a blue food coloring to the adhesive so I can see everywhere it goes on the pallet. Once you actually have the adhesive onto the pallet, you're just going to go ahead and run a cycle of the machine under the flash to make the adhesive tacky, and you're good to start printing. Once this adhesive gets full of lint, whether it's from t-shirts, sweatshirts, whatever you're going to print, you can use a damp sponge, wipe the lint off the pallet, reflash it, it'll reactivate the adhesive, it'll be tacky again, and you're ready to start printing. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.